Schedule posts for your Facebook page with Simplified's easy-to-use content calendar. You can access the content calendar on the left-hand side menu by hovering your mouse over this icon and then choosing Content Calendar. Once you're on the calendar, you'll be able to see an overview of all of your social media posts organized in one space. We can create a new post by clicking this New Post button in the upper right-hand corner, or going to your desired date and then clicking this plus icon. Make sure that your Facebook page icon is highlighted in the top toolbar. And now we're going to upload our media by clicking this plus icon and either browsing from our media library with all of our saved projects, or browsing Simplified's fantastic stock libraries of images and videos. Go ahead and select your project, download as a PNG if you're uploading an image, or as a video if you're uploading a video, and then click Export Now. Now, all that's left to do is writing in our caption, and don't forget you can use the AI assistant right within the content calendar to help you write the perfect Facebook post caption. You can add emojis by selecting this icon here, and now we're ready to schedule. By hitting this drop-down menu, we can either publish our post now, add it to our queue to publish later, or schedule for a specific date and time, and then hit schedule. And there you go. Simplified will do all of the rest of the work for you. To use our content calendar and more, sign up on simplified.com. See you there.